Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to take your spare tire down on a 2011 Ford F-150. You're going to need your keys to the vehicle because they put a little safety cap here so someone can't steal your spare tire. So you take your key, put it in there, turn that, and out comes that little safety lock. Set that aside, don't lose it. And then if you look down inside there, maybe you can see up there, yep, you can see that plastic guide that mounts on top of the spare tire. I do the same. So you lift up your back seats here. I'm going to crawl right in here. And you lift up both of your back seats. And you look and you say, where's the jack? Well, this is a compartment right here. So you take this compartment out of the place. And there it is. Can't pull it out. We have a twisty bolt right here. And it has to come all the way out because it's got a pin on it. And then you have another one over here. Same exact bolt and pulley. Pull that all the way out. Now we grab this, slide it forward, flip it, and you pull it out. 2 tabs. And there's your jack, crowbar, and your spare tire mechanism. And you're just going to take 2 of the extension rods, click them together, and take the square end, put it into the keyhole, bring it into that plastic sleeve, and you're going to turn it till you feel it lock in. Then we're going to take the last one with the hook on it, attach it to the second one, let that snap in. Now we have a keyway. So I'm going to loop it in and set it up on that square notch, and away we go. On this I'm going to do counterclockwise. I'm going to turn it down, and the spare tire will come right down. So now that the spare tire is down, to detach it from the spare tire cable, I'm going to get underneath, lift that up, hold it with one arm, and pull this piece through. Now you can just fish it right through. So I'm going to take advantage of the tire being down, and I'm going to do some maintenance and spray inside the spare tire box where the cable wraps up and the gear is up in there. I'm just going to spray some nice, just rust inhibitor and load this cable up with it. And it's just good maintenance to do. So when I wheel this back up, we'll keep that cable and reel lubed up. So we're going to just reverse procedure to put the spare tire back up. So you just lay down, you tilt the tire up, pull that mechanism through. Now rest on it. And then you can get out and crank it up. So now the spare tire is hooked on the crane part, and we're just going to turn clockwise and bring it back up to the vehicle. Now you're clear to take all the tools out of there. To break it down, these things have clips on them. You just push on this clip and you can release the last but not least, don't forget to put your cover back in. Turn the key, release, close the cover. When you're done with your jack and your controls for the spare tire, you just put the box back under the seat, let it drop down that way. See these two dimples? That's what those pins hold in. So we're going to slide it down. It bottoms out all by itself. Put that pin in. You'll see that you can't pull it past it. And then tighten it down so it doesn't rattle. Do the same on the back one. Now we just put this compartment back. It's quite simple. There you go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.